Did you know you can turn any wall into a movie theater? Stay tuned, because today, we're counting down the top 10 streaming projectors you can buy on Amazon. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or a Netflix binger, we've got something for everyone. But first, a quick trivia question. What year did the first commercial home movie projector become available? A. 1935, B. 1955, C. 1970. Drop your answer in the comments below and stick around until the end to find out. Before we dive into the top 10, here's honorable mention if looking for a stylish and compact projector. Meet the T2 standard portable projector. With JBL-powered speakers, crisp visuals, and autofocus technology, it's perfect for movie nights anywhere. The sleek design and adjustable handle make it super portable. Pros: great sound quality, sleek build, and user-friendly autofocus. Cons: likely not native 1080p, and battery life may be limited. Want a portable theater experience? Check it out now, link in the description. Let me know if you'd like any adjustments. Starting our list at number 10 is the ViewSonic M1 Mini Plus. This ultra-portable projector is perfect for on-the-go entertainment, from backyard movie nights to camping trips. It comes with built-in JBL speakers and smart TV functionality, so you can stream your favorite apps right away. Pros: compact, easy to use, and great for travel. This projector will be good for a day at the beach with the kids. Cons: limited WVG, a resolution, and only 120 lumens brightness, making it ideal for dark environments. This projector doesn't have a good contrast ratio and well-lit environment. Would you prioritize portability over high resolution? Let us know in the comments. Next, at number 9, the Kodak Luma 350, a sleek and stylish projector with a built-in Android OS. It supports 4K playback and has a rechargeable battery for easy portability. Pros: smart features and portability make it a great casual streaming option. Cons: native resolution is just 850 by 480, and it's best in completely dark settings. You can stream almost any media on this device. The drawback is a screen ratio, and it also needs to be in totally dark room to be viewed. Would you trade higher resolution for portability? Let's discuss! At number 8, the LG PF50KA delivers full HD 1080p resolution for crisp visuals. It also features a built-in battery and a smart TV interface for easy streaming. Pros: full HD clarity, wireless screen sharing, and great portability. Cons: 600 lumens brightness means it struggles in well-lit environments. Would you pick this for its image quality? Tell us below. At number 7, for those who love outdoor adventures, the BenQ GS2 is built tough with a splash-proof and drop-resistant design. It has wireless casting, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, and works great for family movie nights. Pros: durable and perfect for outdoor setups. Cons: 720p resolution and limited app availability. What's your go-to outdoor movie setup? Share your ideas. Landing at number 6, the XGIMI Mogo Pro boasts full HD resolution, Android TV, and autofocus for a perfectly aligned image. A portable projector offering full HD 1080p resolution and 300 ANSI lumens brightness, delivering clear visuals in dim settings. Its compact design and built-in battery provide up to 4 hours of viewing time, making it ideal for on-the-go entertainment. Integrated Harman Kardon dual 3-watt speakers ensure quality audio, and the Android TV 9.0 platform offers access to various streaming apps. Pros: sharp visuals, smart features, and portability. Cons: 300 ANSI lumens mean it works best in dimly lit rooms. Ever struggled with manual focus? This one's for you. Halfway through at number 5, the Epson Epic Vision Mini EF12 features full HD resolution, Yamaha-designed audio, and Android TV for a top-tier experience. A compact 1080p LCD laser projector designed for portability and streaming. It features a long-lasting laser phosphor light source, integrated Android TV, and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing access to various streaming apps. Supports 4K UHD input with HDR10 and HLG compatibility, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. Its 3-chip LCD design ensures accurate color reproduction without rainbow artifacts. The built-in Yamaha speakers provide impressive audio quality for its size. However, with a brightness of 1000 lumens, it may not perform well in well-lit environments. Additionally, it lacks 3D support. Pros: premium sound, sleek design, and Chromecast support. Cons: no built-in battery, so it needs constant power. Does sound quality matter in a projector? Let us know. Ranking 4th is the Anchor Nebula Capsule 2, a compact and powerful projector featuring Android TV, 720p resolution, and solid built-in audio. Pros: portable and packed with smart features. Cons: 200 ANSI lumens, so best for darker environments. Would you bring this on your next trip? Where would you use it? In 3rd place is the Optoma Cinema X P2, a 4K UHD laser projector designed for serious home theater enthusiasts. It features an ultra-short throw design and a powerful built-in soundbar. Pros: stunning 4K visuals and immersive sound. Cons: bulky and comes with a premium price tag. Is this the ultimate home theater centerpiece? Drop your thoughts. Our runner-up is Samsung's the Premier LSP7T, a 4K laser projector with 2200 lumens brightness and smart TV functionality. Pros: crisp 4K visuals, bright display, and built-in smart features. Cons: higher price, but a great investment. Would you go for this premium powerhouse? Let us know. All links are in the description below. Our honorable mention goes to the Wimius 1080p projector, an affordable yet feature-packed option with Wi-Fi 6 support. Pros: budget-friendly and easy to use. Cons: speakers could use an upgrade. Would you add this to your setup? All links are in the description below. Before we go, let's reveal the trivia answer. The first commercial home movie projector was available in 1955. Did you get it right? Let us know in the comments. Finally, our top pick is the Vava 4K UHD Laser TV, an ultra-short throw projector with premium Harman Kardon audio and stunning 4K visuals. Pros: unmatched image quality, top-tier sound, and sleek design. Cons: high price, but worth it for a true cinematic experience. Do you agree with our #1 choice? Comment below. As increased engagement boosts visibility, attracting new subscribers and growing the community. Encouraging interaction not only improves rankings, but also builds loyal audiences, helping creators gain momentum and compete with larger channels. So if this video helps you out in any way, don't forget to let it like, share, and subscribe and comment on stuff you like, even stuff you don't like. Then remember to be nice here to community guidelines, and then your comment might be featured in another video. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. All links are in the description below. Check them out. And follow Tony's Top Tech on TikTok, Instagram, and X. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.